Volunteering here, we get school groups. It's a beautiful nature reserve. We've got a number of different habitats ranging from woodlands to ponds. We've had foxes regularly sort of playing on the triangle. People come, they can do pond dipping, they can walk around, they can find a quiet time, and it's a beautiful little reserve.
There is also some habitat management that we do, so getting rid of problem species like brambles to preserve this unique acid grassland in the area.